The Revos is a method of converting your conventional bike into electric bike without changing the aesthetics of the bike you like. Having the Revos is like having a tailwind rather than having a headwind at all times.
And it's just good fun. You know, people always come back with a big smile on their faces once they've given it a try.
We believe a simple design is a good design.
It's activated only by the pedals. There's nothing on the handlebars. Revos takes care of itself and helps you when you need help and switches itself off when you don't need its assistance. If you're going down a hill, for instance, or if you stop pedalling, then Revos just stops. So it's really easy to use.
So the way it works, so you have the main drive unit, battery and a sensor. You have a roller that grips onto the wheel, and through that you can transfer the power into the tyre and then into the road. This system weighs between 1 to 2 kilograms and it provides 250 watts. And so essentially by adding 2 kilograms, you double your output of power.
Revos will fit to the majority of bikes. It'll fit to double triangle, diamond shaped frames, and it will work best with smooth tyres or just normal commuter tyres.
You can ride it cold weather, hot weather, dry, wet, rain or snow. The battery has a USB charger, so if you wish to charge your phone, you can do so. We offer 2 batteries. One is for your everyday trips and the second one for slightly longer trips. The smaller one is 100 watt hours and the larger one is 209 watt hours. So the battery recharges from the mains just like your mobile phone does. The Revos started back in 2011 where I was at university studying motorsport engineering, and I had the idea of just putting a motor and essentially pressing it against a tyre and running it off a battery and a speed controller. And throughout the university I sort of developed this idea, like researching into motor design and control design and how batteries work. And after I graduated I worked, and I decided after working to leave my job to pursue the electric bike sort of project that I started back in 2011. This being a new design, we decided to apply for a patent for the drive unit. To ensure the Revos is as we intended, we have moved into a workshop to produce as much of it as we can in-house in Bristol.